Hey guys, I hope your morning is going well and that you're doing a good job for the sub. I am going to go over some problems with you for math today, but before I do, someone wants to say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Hope you're doing good for the sub. He's camera shy. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So I have 2 3/6 plus 4 2/6. Remember, when I'm adding mixed numbers, I always want to make sure that my denominators are the same. And they are. So all I have to do is go ahead and add across my whole numbers. 2 plus 4 gives me 6. And then I just add my numerators because my denominator is going to stay the same as 6. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So my answer for that problem is 6 5/6. Pretty simple, huh? All right, let's go ahead and do another. This time I'm going to do 3 2/5 plus 5 4/5. Again, I can see that my denominators here are the same, they're fifths. So I'm going to go ahead and add my whole numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8. And add across. 2 plus 4 is 6. And my denominator stays the same as fifths. But I don't know if you notice here that 8 6/5, well, is greater here than a whole, because I know that 5/5 is equal to 1 whole, but I have 6/5. So 5/5, I'm going to decompose this, plus 1/5 gives me 6/6. Or 6/5, sorry. So I can go ahead and take my whole here and add that up to my 8. So really I have 9 wholes with 1/5 left. So my answer is 9 1/5. Now we're going to move on to a subtraction. I'm going to do 6 5/8 minus 2 3/8. Remember, my denominators need to be the same. And it gets a little trickier with subtraction. I also have to make sure that my numerator in my first mixed number is greater than my numerator in my second mixed number, which 5 is greater than 3. So I can go ahead and subtract my whole numbers. 6 minus 2 is 4 wholes. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And my denominator stays the same as 8. Now, if I did want to simplify that, I could make it 4 1/4 because 2/8 looks different, but is secretly the same as 1/4. All right, we're going to do one more. And this is where it gets a little tricky, so I want to show you before you do your task cards. I have 4 1/4 minus 2 3/4. I can see that my denominators are the same, but, my numerator here is smaller than the numerator here. So I know lots of strategies, but I'm going to go ahead and convert using that little bit of a shortcut we talked about. So remember, I'm going to multiply and add. Multiply across. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus my 1 gives me 17. Now remember, my denominator stays the same. 17/4 minus 2 times 4 is 8, plus my 3 is 11/4. I know my denominator is going to stay the same when I subtract. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I'm left with 6/4. Now I do want to convert that back into a mixed number because I know 6/4 is greater than 1 whole. So I could use division because this is 6 divided by 4. I know that this goes in 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So I have a remainder of 2. So then remember, I'm left with 1 whole with 2 as my numerator over my original denominator of 4.